More than 900 earthquakes have struck the sparsely populated remote islands of southern Japan in about 2 weeks, leaving residents not only anxious, but also unable to sleep. An earthquake measuring 5.5 on the Richter scale also struck the Tokara Islands on Wednesday. According to authorities, the islands have been experiencing frequent tremors since June 21. There have been no reports of damage or tsunami warnings from the quakes, but authorities have advised residents of the islands to prepare to evacuate if necessary. "We are afraid to sleep here," one resident told local channel MBC. "It feels like this area is always shaking." According to local media, earthquakes have occurred in Tokara in the past, but there is no example of such a large number of earthquakes in the past. Japan is one of the countries with the highest number of earthquakes in the world because many tectonic plates meet in this region. According to an estimate, about 1,500 earthquakes occur in Japan every year. About 700 people live on 7 of the 12 islands of Tokara. There are no hospitals on these remote islands, and the nearest local hospital is a 6-hour boat ride away. You can hear a strange sound coming from the sea before the earthquake, Chizuku Arikawa, a resident of Akusakajima, told the Japanese newspaper Asahi Shimbun. Chizuku, 54, lives near the sea and runs a cattle farm with her husband. "Everyone is tired now and wants it to stop," she adds. "There have been so many earthquakes here that even when there are no earthquakes, we still feel like the ground is shaking," says Isamu Sakamoto, head of the Residents Association in Akusakajima. Here in the village of Toshima, people are so afraid of earthquakes that they can't sleep and are always tired. Authorities have also requested the media not to tire the residents of the area by sending them questions. There is also a notice on the village website in this regard, which says, "We ask you to be a little careful and not send too many interview requests." Some guesthouses on the Tokara Islands have also refused to accept tourists due to the earthquakes. The village website says that these guesthouses can also be used as shelters for island residents. An earthquake in Japan killed more than 18,000 people and triggered a tsunami off the southeast coast. Hundreds of these earthquakes have struck the country at a time when rumors were circulating that a major earthquake could soon hit Japan. A comic book by artist Ryo Tatsuki, published in 1999, appears to be the source of these rumors. In a new edition in 2021, the artist claimed, "The next major earthquake is expected to hit on July 5th this year." These speculations have also scared some tourists, and according to the media, many tourists have canceled their trips due to this. The earthquakes that have hit Japan in recent days have not been of high intensity, but in 2011, a similar earthquake caused a tsunami off the southeast coast, killing more than 18,000 people. However, authorities have feared a major earthquake for decades, and predictions suggest it could kill up to 300,000 people. Earlier this week, the government also took some new steps, including building new bunkers and new buildings, to prepare people for a major disaster.